to my myself. I'm Timmy, and today we're going to make a very delicious dessert called Mochi chocolate balls. It's Japanese. It's chocolate flavor. Chocolate chips on top. Lots and lots of it. It's crunchy on the outside and chewy in the inside. Delicious, yummy, yummy. Okay, let's start. So we've got some glutinous white flour, rice flour, some sugar, some salt, an egg, not boiled. That's a normal egg. Some milk, some melted butter, chocolate powder, tapioca flour, and some yummy chocolate chips. We'll also be using an extra bowl full of nothing. This kind of mixy, swirly, dirly thingy, and a spatula. Okay, let's start cooking. Now we're going to add the salt, chocolate powder, and tapioca flour into the rice flour. It smells good. Now we're going to mix it. You can sift it if you like, but you don't have to. Now we're going to beat and whisk an egg. This is how you do it. You get it? Well, I gotta do it fast. In goes the bin. And now it's time to whisk it up. Ooh, it's like slime. Now we're going to mix butter, melted butter, the egg and the sugar into the rice flour mixture. And then we're going to mix it up. Egg. That's why it's not a good idea to use this. It's going to turn into like a chocolate, kind of floury kind of sand. Okay. Now we're going to mix the milk bit by bit to form a dough. Maybe 1 or 2 drops. Now we're going to add some chocolate chips. And this is a big, long, nice, neat strip. No lumps, no bumps. Actually, I do have a bit of lump of bumps. And we're going to divide these into 10 to 12 pieces, depending on how big you want yours to be. I'm going to make 12. And we're going to roll these into cute little balls. we're gonna line these on this. Now these are ready to be baked. Now we're going to stick these in the oven for 180 Celsius, maybe 330 Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes or something. Yeah, depending on how big yours is. I'm gonna try this. Look inside. It's like light on the outside but dark on the inside. Mwah! Please click the banner below to subscribe. Ring that bell and smash that like button.